Yes, Jai Gurudev children, in last class beta we were learning exercise 4.3, and in that exercise I taught you up to the question number beta third. Okay, and last fourth and fifth questions are left. I am just discussing with you. These questions are very simple. Okay, a steamer covers a distance of 52.8 kilometer in 4 liter of diesel. How much distance will it cover in 2 liters of diesel? See that 4 liter में how much distance is covered in 4 liter? 52.8. Okay, in 2 liter how much distance it will cover? Half of this distance. Okay, we can do by this method also, or whether we can do by which method? See that distance cover in 4 liter diesel, in 4 liter diesel is equal to 52.8 kilometer. Okay, so distance cover in 1 liter of diesel, okay, is equal to 52.8 divided by 4. So how much distance will cover in 1 liter of diesel? 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, or 4 2 ja 8. How much? 13.2 kilometer. Okay, in 1 liter of diesel. So in 2 liter of diesel, distance cover is equal to 13.2 multiplied by 2. Okay, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, or 2 1 ja 2. 26.4 kilometer. It will be your answer. Just simple question it is. Okay, just simple question it is. Now see that beta, last question. Find the average of 6.2, 3.8 and 4.4 and 9.6. Okay, you know that it is very simple question. I am leaving this question for you. Average is equal to sum of numbers divided by total numbers, means how many numbers there are. Okay, total numbers. See that sum of the numbers means take their sum. 6.2 plus 3.8 plus 4.4 plus 9.6. Okay, divided by how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 and 4. 4 numbers are there. So in this way, whatever result will come, you will complete this question yourself. I am leaving this question for you. Now we are proceeding to the next chapter. Next, that is beta powers and exponent. That is power. So complete this question now. Okay, take the sum of these ones. Whatever sum will come, divide that by 4. That will be your average. Okay, so it is a very earlier classes you have learned this kind of question in class 5th. So I am leaving this one, and now we are going to move on next chapter beta, that is powers and exponent. Okay, now just see what do you mean by the powers and exponent. See here now our new topic is exponent and power. Now just try to understand what is the meaning exponent and powers. Okay, just see here beta, suppose we are having a number 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay, how many times we have multiplied? See here, 1 2 3 4. It means how we can write this. How many times 2 is multiplied? 4 times. So you will write that 2 will be here as, and how many times you are multiplied, that will come at the top of the number in this form. Okay, so this is known as the, I am just classifying it. See that it is known as the base. Okay, and the number is known as the power. It is known as the power. So how we will read this? 2 to the power 4. 2 to the power 4. Again see that. Again one more question I am explaining you. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now see that how many times we have multiplied this. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, see that 6 will go at the top. 6 will go at the top. 3 to the power 6. 3 to the power 6. If I will ask you that what will be the power, so the power of the power in this question will be 6 and base will be 3. Base will be equal to 3. Okay, so that's why this chapter is known as the exponent and power. Exponent and power. It is also means this na. This power is also known as the exponent. Okay, this power is also known as the exponent. Okay beta, suppose see that one more, we have 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10. This time how we will write? See that how many times 10 multiplied? 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so you will write 10 to the power 5. Many children are like that 5 to the power 10. No, that is wrong beta. That is wrong. Means whatever number you are multiplying, that will be your base. Okay, the number how many times you are multiplying, okay, that will be your base. Okay, so 10 will be your base and 5 will be your power. Okay, that's why I am making you clear also that what mistakes always the children are doing in these kinds of question. But first of all, now you have to understand beta main thing of this chapter. Maybe everybody of you have understood, and from the right hand side also I am explaining you. If somewhere it is written like that na beta 2 to the power 4, if it is written like that, then what is the meaning of it? It will be means how many times 2 will be multiplied? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. It is the meaning of it. Okay, if 2 to the power 7 is written, it means how many times 2 will be multiplied, not 7 will be multiplied. Which will be multiplied beta? 2. So how you will do that? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and into 2. 2 to the power 7 it will be. Maybe everybody of you will clear now. Na? From the both the side I have explained you how you will do these kinds of problems. Okay, now first of all we are going to learn the formula for this chapter. What we are going to learn? Formulas. Okay, see that if any question is like that, a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n, then it will be a to the power m plus n. It means base are same but powers are different. Then what will be your solution? A to the power m. See that now what can be the question? 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 4. So how you will write? You can see that here both base are equal. So what it will become? 2 to the power 3 plus 4 is equal to 2 to the power 7. Okay, so what is your main formula? First formula is that, and one question based on it also I have explained you. Okay, now second power question is that beta a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Here also base are same but powers are different. So how you can write that? A to the power m minus n means when you will take this power in the numerator, it will become minus, and means from the numerator power, denominator's power will be subtracted and base will be common. See that now. Suppose you have question 3 to the power 8 upon 3 to the power 7. So how you will do this question? On the base of this formula. Okay, on the base of this formula. This is your second formula. This is your beta second formula. Okay, so how you will do? 3 to the power, it will become a. A means what is? In place of a what you have? 3. 3 to the power. Top power in m place you have 8, and in n place what you have? 7, and in between minus sign will be there. Okay, so what it will become beta? 3 to the power 1, or 3 to the power 1 means 3. 3 to the power 1 means 3. Okay, now come to the next one, third formula. Beta, if any question is like that, see that this is your first formula. Okay, it was your second formula. Now we are going to the third formula. Okay beta, if any question is like that, a to the power m whole power n, okay, it is equal to a to the power m into n. Okay, now see that if 2 to the power 5 multiplied by 3 whole power 3, so what will be your question then? 2 to the power 5 into 3, it means 2 to the power 15, it will be your answer. It will be your answer. Okay, so it is your third formula, very important. It is your third formula. Okay, now come to the beta fourth one. And what is that? A to the power m into b to the power n. Now you can see that here the base are, up to here you have learned that in each question the base was same. Now this time base are different. In one first part it is as base a, and in second part it is as base b. In these kinds of problems, and powers are same, powers will be same in these kind of question. Okay, now see that how you will write. In this condition base will be multiplied and power will remain as same. Power will remain as same. Now see that suppose I am having 2 to the power 4 into 3 to the power 4. You can see that in this question powers are same but base are different. So how we will solve this kind of question? 2 into 3 to the power 4, or 2 3 ja 6 to the power 4. This will be your answer. So it is your fourth question. That's why based on each question I am explaining you how each formula I am taking one examples also, so that you may understand the concept of the question. Okay, now just see what will be the next one. Beta afterwards next formula next one is that a to the power 0. If any number or any constant or variable having power 0, it means its value will be 1. Okay, its value will be 1. Suppose you have 2 to the power 0. 2 to the power 0 means beta 1. If you have 1000 to the power 0 also, okay, its value will also be 1. Means if you have greater and greatest number, then also if its power is given to 0, it means that question, that means what will be the answer of that question? Its answer will come as a 1. Okay, now just see beta one, this is 5 formula I taught you. Now just see what is the next one, sixth one. Okay, and what is the sixth one? See here, if you have negative number minus 1 to the power, what kind? Its power is given you as a even number, then its value will come as a positive answer. What will be come as a positive 1. Okay, now just see here, negative, suppose you have given minus 2 to the power, how much you have given? Suppose 102. What you have given? 102. Now we can't multiply. Whether if we will multiply, is it not possible that minus 2 can be multiplied 102 times? But he can ask you whether the answer, whatever answer will come, that will be as a positive or negative. You can see here that negative number is there, but power is, what kind of power is there? 102 is an even number. So what will be your answer? Directly you can say that it will be positive answer. What will be? It will be positive answer. Okay, now see that the next one. If you have negative number, negative 1 means, 1 means any number I am taking, negative number, and its power is as a odd power. So what will be your answer? Negative 1. Your answer will be as a negative 1. Okay, now just see, suppose you have given minus 3 to the power, how much? I am taking that 270. Now you can see that 217 is what kinds of odd number it is. And now suppose he is asking that whether the answer will come positive or negative. You can see that directly you can, from the powers you can check whether the power is odd number or even number. So it is an odd number. So what will be your answer? Your answer will be negative answer. your answer will be negative answer. So here all kinds of whatever the formula are given and those are important for you, we have discussed here beta. So now afterwards we are moving to the means exercise. Okay, I am hoping that up to here everybody of you have understood. Now we are moving to the next part, that is our exercise part. Okay, now just see here. Now see that beta, exercise 5.1. Exercise 5.1 we are moving to the first question. And what is the first question? That find the value of, find the value of, see that it is your first question. So how you will do beta this question? We are going to the solution number A. Okay, so how you will do? 8 to the power 5 means how many times 8 will be multiplied? Just now in the initial part of the chapter we have discussed this. So 8 can be multiplied 5 times. 8 into 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. Okay, so what will be your answer? 8 8 ja 64. Again this 8 8 ja 64 multiplied by 8. So now you multiplied by 64 into 64 into 8. Okay, now move to the see that I am making one rough column on your right hand side so that I can do the calculation here. So in this way you can also make one rough column in your copy so that there will be no need to turn the pages at every time. Okay, now see that 64 multiplied by 64, 4 4 ja 16, 1 carry, 4 6 ja 24, 24 plus 1 25, 6 4 ja 24 carry 2, 6 6 ja 36, 37 38. Okay, now see that 6, 5 plus 4 9, 8 plus 2 10, 1 carry, 3 plus 1 4. What will be your answer beta? Up to here 64 and 64 we have multiplied, you got 4096. Now multiplied this again by 8. Okay, so 8 6 ja 48, carry 4, 8 9 ja 72, 72 plus 4 76, carry 7, 8 0 0, so 7 will come here, or 8 4 ja 32. So what will be your answer beta? Finally 32768, 32768. Oh, okay, so in this way you can complete the question. Okay, see that 1 9 I am taking B part also. 9 to the power 4, 9 to the power 4 means how many times 9 will be multiplied beta? 9 9. Okay, so see that 9 9 ja 81. If you will multiply these two 9 you will get 81. These two 9 also you will multiply 81. Now multiply 81 and 81 here. 81 multiplied by 81. 1 1 ja 1, 1 8 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8, or 8 8 ja 64, 8 8 ja 64. Now do that. 1 6561, 6561 will be your answer. So D, C and D part I am leaving for you. Okay beta, C and D part I am leaving as your homework. Okay beta, now come to the question number 2. Okay, come to the question number 2. See that what is question number 2 now. Now see that beta, what is your next question? Express the following in exponential form, as in the beginning of the chapter we have done. See that beta, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, whatever it is there, you count that how many times 2 is given to you. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. First you write 2 and in top of the 2 you will write 7. It will be your answer. See that now, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. First write Z, and how many times Z is given to you? Z to the power 10. Okay, see that now C part of the question. Okay, now see that C part beta, what is that? B into B into B into B into A into A into A. In this type of question what you will do? First write that B. How many times B is given to you? 4. Okay, and then along with that A is also there. So how many times A is there? A to the power 3. This will be your answer. So from here also I am leaving as D and E part as your homework part. D and E part I am leaving you as your homework part. Now come to the question number 3rd beta. Okay, see that now. See that now beta, what is the next question? Express the following numbers as product of powers of prime factors. Many children are making mistakes while they are doing prime factorization after coming in class 7th or 8th also. That's why I am just telling you how you will do prime factorization. See that what can be the prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers beta, those are coming in only their own table. They are not coming anywhere else in other tables. Okay, see that. So what can be the prime numbers? First 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, or further number you can search. Means while you will do the numbers for the division, you can't do means only by these number you can do the division, not other than these. If you are dividing any number in prime factorization by 4, then means your prime factorization, it will be not prime factorization, it can be counted as a composite factorization. And always it is written that prime factorization. Prime factorization means only by the prime numbers you can do the division. See that beta here now. If we would like to do the prime factorization of 84, so how we can do 84? What can be the first prime number? 2. Make it divide by 2. 2 4 ja or 2 3 ja, no 2 2 ja. Okay, 2 2 ja. Further by 2, 2 2 ja or 2 1 ja. Now you can see that by 2 it cannot be divisible. So what can be next number now? 3. So you will move on the 3 now. 3 7 ja 21. Now further 3 division is also not possible. So what can be next prime number for this one in this kind of division? So you will move on to the next one is 7. 7 1 ja 7. So what can be the prime numbers now? Okay, so you have to write in a form of a exponential form. You have to write that a product of, express the following numbers as a product of powers of prime factors. Okay, now if you would like to write 84, so 84 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. So how many times 2 is there beta? 2 to the power 2. 3 to the power how much? 1 into 7 to the power 1. It will be your answer. How much simple they are, you can see here. Okay beta, now just see 112. Big part is your question 112. See that in 112 also again you will do the prime factorization. See here again, see that beta 112, do its prime factorization, do by 2. 2 5 ja or 2 6 ja, then by 2. 2 2 ja or 2 8 ja, again by 2. 2 1 ja or 2 4 ja, then by 2. 2 7 ja 14, and finally by 7. 7 1 ja 7. Okay, now see that how you will do. See that 2 into 112 is equal to, you will write that 112 is equal to 2 into 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 or into 7. So how you will write that? 2 to the power 4 into 7, it will be your answer. So see that beta, it is not difficult question. You have done these kind of question in earlier classes also, and enough questions was there. Okay, see that 1C part again I am doing, that is 90. Okay, so this will be divisible by 2 first, then by 45, then afterwards it will be not divisible by 2, then by you will move on the third one 15, then again by 3. 3 5 ja 15, then 5 1 ja 5. Okay, now right here 90 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 2 to the power 1 into 3 to the power 2 into 5 to the power 1. It will be your answer. So in this question beta, D and E part I am leaving as your homework. D and E part will be your homework part. Okay, afterwards now I am moving to the question number 4. See that beta, express 2187 as powers of 3. Means what we will do? We will do the prime factorization of 2187. See that 2187. Okay, divided by, because it is odd number, so it will not be divisible by 2, so it will be divisible by 3. Okay, 3 7 ja 21, 3 2 ja 6 or 3 9 ja 27. Again by 3. 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9. Then by 3. 3 8 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3. Then by 3. 3 27 ja 81. Then by 3. 3 9 ja 27, then by 3, 3 ja 9, and finally 3 1 ja 3. Okay, just then you can see that how many in the final answer how you will write. 2187 is equal to how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So what will be your answer? 3 to the power 7. What will be your answer? 3 to the power 7. So in this way beta you can do the question. Okay, one C part, bigger part, B part I am leaving for you, and C part 343 is there, 343. So I am doing this one also. It will be divisible by 7, not by 3 also. Okay, so 7 4 ja 28, then 7 9 ja 63, 7 7 ja 49, or 7 1 ja 7. Okay, 343 was there. First means by 2 or 3 or 5 it was not divisible, so afterward next prime number was 7, so I reached there. Okay, in sequence we have to try. First we will try by 2, then by 3. I have written all the prime numbers here in your given page. Okay, so you will see that, see it by there. Okay, then move to the next 7. Afterwards I have seen that it is divisible by 7, so I have find. So what will be your answer? 343 is equal to 7 into 7 into 7. How many times 7 is there? 3. So it will come 7 to the power 3. This will be your answer. This will be your answer. So beta B part is your homework part. B part is your homework part. So everybody of you will complete up to here. Okay, all of you will complete up to here, and afterwards we will in the my next video we will move to the next questions afterwards. Okay, just enough for today. Thank you and have a good day to all of you beta.